Okay, in this class, we look at the inverter sizing. This formula is key. Power factor is watt divided by volt amps. Now, most of your inverters are quantified in VA. The unit is like the ones people are familiar with here, kVA, kVA. Now the K just means 1000. So if I say 3 kVA, it means 3 times 1000 VA. That's 3000 VA. So the unit of your power or your load you've analyzed, the total wattage is watt, while your inverter is sized using VA. So the power factor, because of the inductive characteristics of some load, even your inverter has an inductive material in it. So this power factor is very vital for us to put into consideration. So if you do a cross multiplication, your VA will be your watt divided by the power factor. So if you take power factor as a 0.8, then from there you can get what your size of your inverter will be. Now, you don't want to load your inverter more than 80%, so it's better to divide your the size you've gotten here of your inverter by 0.8 so that you can have a gap so that the inverter will not be overloaded and so that it can be more efficient. Okay, understanding the system voltage to use. This is very important. How do I know the if I'm to use a 12-volt system, a 24-volt system, a 36-volt system, a 48-volt system, a 96-volt system, or a 120-volt system? Now, um, the best way I've seen is calculate your total wattage, get the size of your inverter, the size of the inverter you want to use, check the data sheet of the inverter. Any voltage the inverter is designed to work with, that will be the voltage of your system. Understanding system loads. Oh, your client will say, I want AC, I want freezer, I want washing machine to be on the solar system. You have to lecture them. These loads are inductive in nature. They have high starting current and they are getting this current from your battery. The battery is the heart of the solar system. So if you drain your battery more than enough, the system will collapse soonly. And you have the cases of solar is not working. I just designed it in 2 months' time. I'm having challenges with it. So if you want to stop all this, make sure you understand the load you are putting on the system. And if your client say he has the capacity to do it, then you need to also advise properly because the more the load, the more the cost. And we all know that the implementation cost for solar is very high, which the client may not be happy with. As we round up, the solar resource and tools that are important. You have the PVGIS, Google PVGIS. You will be able to get the kilowatt hour for any location you are in Nigeria. You need a compass when you go to site to be able to know the direction at which you install your solar panels. Your multimeter will be very handful and any other tool you think is very vital, please take along with you. Yeah, this class is meant to be for an hour. I understand that the time may be too short, but I just want to open us all to what the solar system entails for us. I know some people here already have knowledge about solar. You want to understand it more. I believe that in the question tabs, drop your questions. I will try as much as possible to answer them following the content of this seminar. I appreciate you for your time. Um, Sorry for any inconvenience. Thank you so much.